everyone, this is Kanchan here, your good food girl. Hope you guys are doing really good. It's Sunday again, so we are back again in my kitchen, and today I have another favorite recipe of mine which comes out really good, so I'm sharing with you. It is the pumpkin soup. Please don't get scared. Pumpkin soup is not boring. Many of you find soups boring, yes, but this particular soup is amazing. It's so creamy by itself, so no need for any extra cream to be added. It's delicious. It's really delicious, and it is so cold everywhere. A good piping hot bowl of soup is so soothing to your throat. So it's a Caribbean recipe. Call it pampoon soup, call it pumpkin soup, whatever it be. It's just deliciousness in a bowl. So let's go to my kitchen and learn to make this pumpkin soup my way. Let's get going. Let's look at the ingredients. This is what we need. I have half a kg of pumpkin, 1.5 onion, 1 whole bulb of peeled garlic, 1 carrot, this is cut into halves, and celery, very important, celery leaves, yes. I have 2 cubes of vegetarian bouillon. This is the bouillon, the vegetarian, the Krunta bouillon, that's the packet. We use 2 of those. Some butter, salt and pepper, olive oil, and that's all that you need to make the soup.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay, so we start with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Here we go, 1 and 2. Let's add in the onions and the garlic in it. Yeah, we have the onions and the garlic chopped. First goes the garlic and the onions. They both go together. Okay, we'll just cook it for 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will chop the celery and then we will throw in the celery. So we just give it 2 minutes for it to sweat out. Okay, so we chopped the celery. I have saved some for the garnish, and this goes in the soup now. And we add in the butter as well now. It's the butter. Okay, in the pan. Now we will throw in the pumpkin. Stop. Okay, the pumpkin is in. Now goes in the chopped carrots as well. Now we will be putting these 2 cubes of bouillon that we have. So there goes in the bouillon. And we add in some salt and pepper, some pepper, just pepper powder. A little because bouillon is already salty, so go slow with the salt. If you need more, you can always add later. Let's stir it. Okay, and I have some boiled water here, so we will just add in boiled water, and this will take around half hour to 45 minutes to cook. Okay, let's stir this. We can add in some more water, and now we will cook this till tender, and then we just blend it. This is ready to go. Alright, so this has been cooking now 40 minutes already. Let's take a look at the pumpkin. And it's nicely cooked. You see that? It's nice and tender. You will switch off the flame and now blend it to a puree. Alright, this soup is now ready and nicely blended. Do you look at it? How tempting. No need for any cream. This is just perfect. Okay, look at this, how creamy the soup is. Let's dish it out. Go zoom in. So the soup is served. I love to eat this with this dry garlic bread that we get. It's so amazing. So we will just put some bread alongside the soup. Okay, so the soup is served. Just look at it, how delicious. We just garnish it with some celery. And there it is. Right now is the best time, the testing time. I have the soup here. Let's take a sip. It's super hot. Goodness, this is so good. Oh my god. This is so good. Try it. Let me know how it turned out. Yes, take care. Till next time. See you. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.